डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे लेसन 9 सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज। आज का टॉपिक है हमारा जियोमेट्रिक मीन जीएम। जियोमेट्रिक मीन, the geometric mean of two positive numbers a and b is रूट अंडर ए बी। अगर a और b दो नंबर है तो हम जीएम जो है वो रूट अंडर ए बी डिफाइन कर सकते हैं। एग्जाम्पल 1, geometric mean of 4 and 9 is, since GM is root over AB, so A is 4 or B is 9. After simplify, we get GM of 4 and 9 is 6. Example 2, geometric mean of 6 and 8 is, since GM is equal to root over AB, A is 6 and B is 8, so GM equal to root over 6 into 8, which is root over 48. Factorize 48, we get 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. So after simplify, we get 4 root 3. Therefore GM of 6 and 8 is 4 root 3. Example 3, find and show that a power n plus 1 plus b to power n plus 1 divided by a to power n plus b to power n may be geometric mean between a and b. Solution: since GM of a and b is root over ab, but given that GM is a power n plus 1 plus b to power n plus 1 divided by root divided by e to power n plus b to power n. So both are equal. Root under AB is equal to root under e to power n plus 1 plus b to power n plus 1 divided by e to power n plus b to power n. Root AB, also written as e to power half plus e to power half into b to power half. After cross multiply, we get a half into b half into a to power n plus b to power n is equal to e to power n plus 1 plus b to power n plus 1. Multiply a half b half into e to power n. We get e to power n plus 1 by 2 b 1 by 2 plus multiply this, we get a 1 by 2 b n plus 1 by 2 is equal to e to power n plus 1 plus b to power n plus 1. Now this result shift left side and this goes to right side. We get a n plus 8 power n plus 1 by 2 b 1 by 2 minus 8 power n plus 1 b n plus 1 minus a 1 by 2 b n plus 1 by 2. Since both have a common a to power n plus 1 by 2 minimum, so we get b half minus a half is equal to b to power n plus 1 by 2 into b 1 by 2 minus a 1 by 2. Cancel both sides, this and this. We get a to power n plus 1 by 2 equal to b to power n plus 1 by 2. We also written as a by b whole power n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. A by b power n plus 1 by 2 is equal to also written as a by b power 0 4 in place of 1. Both base are same, so power must be same. N plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0 and equal to minus 1 by 2. Question number 4. Insert three numbers between 1 and 256 so that the resulting sequence is a GP. Let G1, G2, G3 be three numbers between 1 and 256 such that 1, G1, Z2, Z3, 256 is a GP. For GP, first term is 1 and this first term, second term, third term, fourth term and this one is fifth term. Fifth term is 256. An is equal to a to power and r minus a to an equal to a into r to power n minus 1. R stand for common ratio. So a fifth is equal to a r to power 5 minus 1. A 5 equal to a r to power 4. A 5 is given as 256. So we get r equal to plus minus 4. Case 1, when r equal to 4, then the numbers G1, G2, G3 in sequence. G1 is a second term of this GP, G2 is the third term of this GP and G3 is the fourth term of this GP. So G1 is second term, formula is AR1. So we get 4. G2 is third term, so AR square and A is 1 and R is 4. So third term is 16 and G3 means fourth term, which is A r to power 3. 1 into 4 to power 3, which is 64. We use case 2 when r equal to minus 4. When r equal to minus 4, G1 is minus 4, G2 is 16, G3 is minus 64. Therefore, required numbers are 4, 16, 64 or minus 4, 16, minus 64. Hence, we can insert 4, 16, 64 between 1 and 256. Since this negative are not between 1 and 256, so we choose only one answer is 4, 16 and 64, which is the required numbers.